This might be my personal best. It might beat my personal best. It's a big boy.
Give me the grips. I got him.
He's big. Better than mine, I bet. If it's a good one, do we keep it? Oh, it's a bad one. I just heard it go off like that.
I done told you the card heads don't get this big.
Look at that bad boy. He's definitely longer than 36 inches. It's a big boy. How tiring was it, Dad? It definitely beat my personal best. Watch out, because it's gonna shoot out. The hook's gonna shoot out. Oh, I'm videoing this. I've been videoing it. It's a big one.
Yeah, it's fucking big.